I guess my first question is, do you have to win your CPS appeal to sue CPS?
Is the secret. How to Fight CPS and Win, and I'm joined tonight by two guest hosts. Miss G, Georgette Truman, social media influencer regarding CPS issues, and attorney Jennifer Ani, an expert in California at representing parents and relatives in CPS issues. Ladies, Jennifer, you messaged me and said you had a follow-up comment on something.
I did. I wanted our audience to know that within the context of violations of civil rights, that while that sounds like that would be something juicy, in reality, these violations will have to be dealt with in another venue. So, for example, in the question that I just answered, while there may be a First Amendment violation with issuance of a gag order, the remedy for that isn't going to get the child back.
Right.
The remedy is to sue them in civil court.
Right. To go across the street to the federal courthouse and bring a lawsuit. I agree with you wholeheartedly. Hey, Mrs. G, we're going to take another call. Jeff from Virginia. Jeff, did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
Hey, Mr. Davis. Thank you for allowing me to speak here on your show today. I essentially have three questions, and it's actually on suing CPS without a reason of doubt. I believe that they've violated my rights under 42 USC Section 1983. Learned that right here on your show. And I guess my first question is, do you have to win your CPS appeal to sue CPS?
The answer is, assuming that you're in California and you're doing a case in federal court in California, the answer is no, you don't have to win. However, and this is a big however, if you've lost in the juvenile court case and you lose the appeal, your civil rights case that you thought was worth, multi-millions of dollars shrinks significantly. Because one of the things they're going to do is they're going to argue a concept called res judicata and collateral estoppel. And that means that, once you've lost in the CPS court, that can be used against you in the federal courthouse. And you can't, you're going to have to turn your radio off. And you can't relitigate those issues about the child abuse. So, it's hard to go to federal court and say, hey, my rights were violated, but then have that stain on you that says, oh, some state court judge found you to be a child abuser. Juries are likely to find that, not tasteful. It may be used against you legally, and it certainly, in my humble opinion, will reduce the amount of money that you may win eventually in a civil rights lawsuit. Does that make sense?
It makes tons of sense. It was a good thing that I won.